Real Estate Talk.
Did you know that Coinbase.com, although one of the best go-tos for those new to cryptocurrency, has a sister site called CoinbasePro.com, and it used to be called GDAX. Now this site is very usable, very similar to Coinbase.com. All of your information from Coinbase.com carries over to Coinbase Pro. Any money and any currency, any cryptocurrencies you have sitting in Coinbase.com can be easily transferred to Coinbase Pro. They are like the same site on two different platforms. The bonus is Coinbase Pro has a lot more functionality, a lot more usability, and it is cheaper fees, and you can do more with it. And when you do more for cheaper, then you make more money. So check out my video where I explain Coinbase Pro in excruciating detail on my other channel at Teddy Ewing. See you over there.